Xiaobai, when you say I'm master, please remind me. I want to see what delicious food is on the cabinet.
Xiaohui, be careful, don't fall.
Are the masters back? I heard the door open.
No, you're guilty.
But the temptation of the food was too great. Little Gray and Little White struggled between curiosity and fear. They wanted to find out, but they were also afraid that the owner would suddenly come back and break this tense and exciting adventure. Do I have fleas? Or did the gray cat next door smear sugar on me? Why is it so sticky? I need to lick the fur clean. Comb the fur to make it beautiful. Otherwise, how can I meet my dating partner later? Brothers, the owner brings delicious lunch. Get up to dry rice. Snacks are full. I don't want to eat lunch. Brother and the second brother, don't fight again. It's boring to fight again. The chicken leg has been eaten by me. I would rather not eat chicken legs. I have to take a breath. I must beat you fiercely. Otherwise, you don't know what it means to respect the elderly. What is Big Brother first? I'm so bored. Why hasn't anyone asked me to play yet? I'm so bored. I'm playing badminton at home alone. I've beaten the badminton to pieces. The feathers are all bald. QQ and WeChat are always online. Why hasn't anyone asked me to play? Do I have no friends?
Let me find you from that moment on. Let me walk all the way for a lifetime. I want to find you no matter north, south, east, or west. Intuition will guide me. If I fall in love with you, don't ask why. I can recognize you at first sight.
Master, hello. Please stop staring at me, okay? I'm scared. Listen to my excuse. No, listen to me. I really didn't scratch the sofa. It was my neighbor Xiaohuo who scratched it. It ran away after scratching it. Master, do you believe what I say? Please don't tease me. I'm not a silly little cat. I'm a tough guy who knows Kung Fu. Look at me punching hard. Gurgle, gurgle. My stomach is singeing. Do you hear it too? Before dinner, let's play a game. I will pretend that I am a little tiger, and your little red dot is my prey. Are you ready? In front of this simple white background, my little white cat becomes the most perfect embellishment. Its purity complements the flawlessness of the wall, forming a painting that does not require any extra decoration. Its every blink, every light step, is the best interpretation of the simple aesthetics. In this small cat bed, my cat found a way to heal itself. It kept licking its hands, as if it was using this method to relieve the fatigue of the day. Every lick was a kind of comfort and healing for itself. A gray cat curled up on a cushion by the window. It lowered its head and began to lick its front paws attentively, carefully licking each paw, as if it was cleaning a precious treasure. Its tongue gently slid across every corner of its paw, as if it was performing an ancient ritual.